Hello, guys, and welcome. My name's Daniel Putman, and what you are watching is a brief video about how to record or track, or how to record so that we can track a salvation in CCB. Now, we're excited about CCB because we can track all the salvations. When people get saved, when people get baptized, we can get that all in here. It just makes it a little bit easier to find out that information. In that, I'm going to basically just walk through how to do that process, how to enter in salvation in salvation in CCB. I am using a screen capture video, which means what's on my screen. You watching this very video is what you will do on your screen. So it is very, very simple. As you see right now, I am on kind of the main login screen of CCB. So first, you start by just logging in. Then afterwards, CCB for me, it starts here in sort of this groups tab right here. This is where it opens up. You get all your groups. I don't know how it is for you guys per se, but this is how it is for me. But where we want to wind up is in the people tab. And from the people tab, we want to get to the profile of the person of the salvation. So we've got this right here. We've got this line where we type the person's name in. And as you type, of course, all sorts of names will come up along with them, provided that they already have a profile. If they do not have a profile, you will need to create a profile for them, and you will click on this, you'll click on this add a new family thing, and you will go through a completely different process. But this is about salvation, so I'm just going to cover that. So, I already know it's Dwight right here. My friend Dwight from the office came on in. I was, doing some outreaches and brought him on in. So, this is Dwight Schrute's profile right here. Note, Scranton, PA. So, this is my friend Dwight, and what we want to do to enter in his salvation information is we want to actually edit his profile. So, you'll see this little link right here for edit profile under profile settings, and we will click on that, and that will take us to here. Now, this is Dwight's profile. He's got a lot of things going on here. You see his address. You got his MyFit, which actually doesn't have anything to do with his physical fitness. It's just other things. And then afterwards, you got some social stuff, and then, custom fields. And well, none of that's really important. What's important is this plugged in tab. So we click on this plugged in tab. You've got a nice little tab here to see maybe what services he goes into. So we'll just say it goes in the second service. Not really important. What's important is Faith Journey right here. So in order for us to really track people when they get saved, we need to, kind of be, a little bit precise for when they get saved. So let's just say it happened on December 14th. So you just just entering the informations as that. They're just kind of pull down bars or whatever you call that. And then afterwards, we ask that you fill out the commitment story. Now, the commitment story is just, we just kind of asked maybe where it happened. It would be cool to know what ministry it happened, if it was in your small group, meeting or something, or let's say it was in Alpha or something like that. Or let's say it was in second service, just wherever it happened. Let's say it was in second service on the ministry line. Okay, and then, that's really it. It would also be really cool if, maybe you said if it was with someone else, if it really was with probably it was with someone, so let's just say it was with me, just for ease of creating it. So, that's really all we need. And desire just kind of the ministry and just kind of who it was with and the time. As for current story, I don't know what that means. You got your commitment story, your current story. I don't know if the story changes, but whatever. So not important. Just the state here and this commitment story. And then lastly, and very importantly, please click save. Click save. You click save. Profile's updated. Good. We know we've got it in there. And so when we search for salvations by time in sort of our advanced search options in CCB, we'll be able to see, hey, Dwight got saved this year. That's awesome. So yeah, that's it. As you see, guys, pretty simple. Just a number of clicks and just going through some pages. I know sometimes it's just figuring out where this stuff is the challenging part. Thanks for helping us out with the project.